Get more of these videos? Subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification icon, like and share. 30 multiple choice questions and answers on integrated science. One. All the following are reasons for classifying organism except A. Easier identification. B. Shows similarities and natural relationship between organisms. C. To make them unique. And D. To see evolution at work and identify new varieties when they arise. Number 2. Which of these is not a type of tissue found in a green plant? A. Epidermal tissue. B. Vascular tissue. C. Nerve tissue. And D. Strengthening tissue. Number 3. The type of joint found in animals include all the following except A. Fixed joint. B. Hinge joint. C. Ischium joint. And D. Gliding joint. Number 4. Which of the following is an important of a self-pollination? A. Seed varies due to different pollen sources. B. Seed has the ability to resist different climate change. C. Pollination does not require an agent. And D. Seed grow healthier and better. Number 5. All the following are maturity sexual signs in female except A. Enlargement of mammary glands and breast. B. Ovulation and menstruation begins. C. Develops shyness and isolation. And D. Body contours become rounder. Number 6. Deficiency in lack of calcium results in A. Scurvy. B. Beriberi. C. Rickets. And D. Kwashiorkor. Number 7. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Responsible for regulating blood sugar level. B. Responsible for deamination. C. Produces HCl to aid digestion. And D. Produces red blood cells in the early stages of life. Number 8. The mechanism whereby human begins to take in oxygen and bring out carbon dioxide from the lungs through the nostrils or the mouth is termed as A. Oxidation. B. Ventilation. C. respiration, and D, breathing. Number 9. The movement of liquid from a region of higher concentration through a region of lower concentration is termed as A. Osmosis, B. Sublimation, C. Diffusion, and D. Condensation. Number 10. The process whereby green plant synthesizes carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is termed as A. Photolysis, B. Chlorophyll, C. Photosynthesis, and D. Photoenergy. Number 11. The experiment below shows a demonstration of A. Diffusion, B. Sublimation, C. Dissolution, and D. Osmosis. Number 12. Which of the following is not a symptom of coronavirus? A. Diarrhea, B. Severe fever, C. Frequent sneezing, and D. Frequent coughing. Number 13. While humans excrete urine and carbon dioxide, plants excrete A. Oxygen and water, B. Chlorophyll and stomata, C. Dye and chlorophyll, and D. Oxygen and chlorophyll. Number 14. The process whereby deoxygenated blood is carried away from the heart is done by the A. Veins, B. Capillaries, C. Right ventricle, and D. Arteries. Number 15. The gestation period of the Anopheles mosquito is between A. 10 to 12 days, B. 14 to 15 days, C. 5 to 7 days, and D. 7 to 14 days. Number 16. The central nervous system consists of the A. The brain and the respiratory system, B. The brain and the spinal cord, C. The brain and the digestive system, and D. The brain and the skin. Number 17. Which of the following is a cause of variation? A. Environmental variation. B. Continuous variation. C. Discontinuous variation. And D. Heritable variation. Number 18. All the following are economic importance of rocks except A. Formation of soil. B. Sources of plant nutrients. C. Use in manufacturing ornaments. And D. Enhances weathering. Number 19. Which of the following is not a factor influencing the availability of nitrogen in the soil? A. Addition of compost. B. Decay and nitrifying bacteria. C. Lightening. And D. Removal of crops through harvesting. Number 20. All the following are human activities that result in depletion of soil resources except A. Improper irrigation and drainage practices. B. Contour rigging. C. Surface mining and quarry. D. Dumping of non-degradable waste on land. Number 21. Features of intensive system of keeping farm animals include all the following except A. A good housing or shelter is provided. B. Animals are fed by the farmer. C. Diseases and pests are monitored and controlled. D. It is less expensive to operate. Number 22. All the following are infectious diseases in fowl except A. Aspergillosis. B. Black Norfolk. C. Coccidiosis. And D. Gumboro. Number 23. One of the following is not a factor to consider in choosing a site for a vegetable production. A. Nearness to a source of water. B. Suitable of soil for a particular vegetable. C. Richness of soil in nutrients. And D. Availability of labor. Number 24. Which of these apparatus will not be needed at the laboratory in preparing standard solution? A. Beaker. B. Pipette. C. Burette. and D. Thermometer. Number 25. All the following are properties of a covalent bond except A. They have strong bonds to form small molecules of some atoms. B. They conduct electricity when molten in water. C. They do not dissolve in water but usually in organic solvents. And D. Their molecules are usually gaseous or liquid at room temperature. Number 26. Economic uses of water include all the following except A. Irrigation. B. Cooling. C. Fishing and farming. And D. Washing. Number 27. Water can be contaminated through the following ways except A. Rainfall. B. Radioactive waste. C. Industrial waste. And D. Agricultural waste. Number 28. Nuclear energy is useful in the following ways except A. Electricity production. B. Plant breeding. C. Temperature control. And D. Pest control. Number 29. Physical properties of metal below is true except A. It is not malleable. B. It undergoes rusting. C. Its atoms are loosely arranged. And D. It has a fish shape and size. Number 30. The chemical structure below is that of the A. Methanol. B. Propanol. C. Ethanol. And D. Butanol. Now check your answers and see which ones you got correct. Remember, this is a trial test. Wish you good luck and success in your exams. Ghana Education TV, your trusted online TV for learning. Get more of these videos? Subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification icon, like and share.